Here's how to fix Discord update failed error message. First, open the Start menu and search for Task Manager. Then, open Task Manager and type Discord into the search box. If you see any Discord processes running, right-click on them and select End Task. Make sure all Discord processes are closed. After that, open the Start menu again, search for Run, and open it. In the Run box, type %local app data % and press Enter. Now, find the Discord folder and open it. Inside, look for the update.exe file. Click on it to rename and add repair to the end of the file name. Then, press Enter. Next, go back to the app data folder at the top and open the roaming folder. Find the Discord folder and open it. Then, open the cache folder and go into the cache data folder. Here, press Ctrl+A to select everything inside this folder. Press on trash icon to delete them. Once you've done that, open Discord again and check if the update error has been fixed. If you're still getting the error, then the next thing you can try is temporarily disabling Windows Firewall. Open the Start menu and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Open it, and from the left-hand side, select Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Now, temporarily turn off the firewall for both your private and public network settings, and then click OK. After that, open Discord again and check if the application can now update. If you're still having the same problem, open the Start menu, go to Settings. Here, click on Apps. Then, select Installed Apps and search for Discord. Click on the 3 dots next to Discord and select Uninstall. Follow the steps on the screen to remove Discord from your computer. Once Discord has been uninstalled, open the Start menu and search for Microsoft Store. Once it is opened, search for Discord. Select the official Discord application and click Get or Install to download it again. Once the installation is complete, open Discord and check if the update failed error has been resolved. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.